You tune in, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you'll get a notification when we come on live. Listen, it's all about the holidays, and you know what? We love you.
Well, every man to a girl, couple up, couple up.
Just see those sleigh bells jingling, ring, ting-a-ting-a-ling.
What's up, TG fam? What it do? Is you feeling good? That's what's up. Say hi, King. Great. We are on our way to one store right now to get a couple of things, and then I'm coming right back home. Are you excited? Are you? Alright, you guys, so let's begin. Okay, so now that I finished my little shopping, I'm about to go back home. Okay, so once I finished making my mom her egg sounds that you saw earlier in the vlog, I literally did nothing. Honestly, I just started brainstorming what I wanted to do for this whole entire month when it comes to, you know, vlogging and all those challenges and all that good stuff. Cause I really wanted to be nice, so I looked around how to, you know, make an intro and all that good stuff like that. So that's really much it. I didn't do anything. I'm surprised, but tomorrow I do have some exciting things to do. Say hi.
Happy holidays, guys.
We're gonna have an amazing time tomorrow, so that vlog will be great. Okay, guys, it'll be great.
Yeah, so make sure you tune in, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you'll get a notification when we come on live. Listen, it's all about the holidays, and you know what? We love you.
We love you so much. But yeah,
I'll be back.
So, and you guys, thank you so much for watching this vlog. You guys are amazing, and you know we're gonna have fun. But I'm gonna end this vlog right here, and I will see you all guys tomorrow later, alligators. Peace.
I spy with my little eye, a girly I can get cause she don't get too many likes, a curly headed cutie I could turn into my wife, wait that means forever.